Equity mate.
I will say this about investing. Everything you do learn.
G'day Equity Mates, Ren here with another quick update on Thought Starters. If you like what you hear in this video and you want to read the full articles, make sure you go to equitymates.com/thoughtstarters where you can sign up and read all these articles in full. 5 really interesting articles this week. A couple on investing to start off with. We've got one on price to earnings ratio, what it means, what's implicit in it, and the paper ends by arguing some interesting things about how you should use the metric and what you shouldn't use it for. So a really interesting one on one of the most common investing metrics around. Another investing themed one, a letter by Kerrisdale Capital on a company that they are shorting. And in a nutshell, they argue that the company has 3 terrible businesses in one and think it's worth about 50% less than they're paying for it. So if you want to know what the company is and why this investment fund is short it, make sure you read the article. It's a pretty damning few pages on this one company. We've also got some articles, one asking about organic veggies and asking what is actually the difference and is it worth paying for it? And then another one out of general interest, the story of Lego, the toy company, and how it has become, quote, the Apple of toys. Some interesting stuff in there as well. And to top it off this week, we have an article on a technique Warren Buffett used with one of his staff members when they were talking about his career planning and what he wanted to achieve. It's a 2-list strategy. I won't give it away in this video, but it's probably a good way for us all to take a moment and prioritize what we want. So once again, Thought Starters this week, a variety of investing related stuff, some general interest, and some other interesting things to start your week. So if you want to give them a read, if you want to make sure you get this email every Monday, make sure you sign up at equitymates.com/thoughtstarters. And if you want more content, make sure you're subscribing to the podcast that comes out every Monday and Thursday.